Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change WordPress time zone. Before starting work, it's my request. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. Scroll down on left side. You see setting and then you see general. So click on it. Now general settings open and scroll down. You see child language and then you see time zone. Now you see universal time zone and local time, and then you see date format and time format. So you can select according to your requirement. Now scroll up, you see time zone, drop down. So you can select according to your requirement here. Now select and then click on save changes. Now setting saved and scroll down. You see our local time is changed now. Now again select time zone. Now select New York and then click on save changes. Now setting saved and scroll down. You see local time is changed now. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.